Right, this is gonna be the first lamb rack I've ever tried to cook. This is a pound and a half. Lessons learned, I probably should have got 2 pounds. I think 2 pounds is about 8, a full rack, which is 8 of these, I'm gonna call them lamb chops, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. But I like this. I learned this from a restaurant, the local Oakland restaurant. They grilled it. I got a couple of recipes I'm gonna try. And then of course we got, that's gonna be seared on a cast iron pan. And then I got some recipes we're gonna try on a Traeger and on a Rectech, different styles, pizza oven, all that kind of thing. So first venture, cooking lamb. I got into it October 2020, all right? All right, I got your rosemary, I got your mint, I got your thyme, and I got your parsley. All right, everything is about, I'm gonna say 2 tablespoons after I grind it up. You're gonna see me put in the grinder, except for the rosemary, which is half, all right? Go. Got the fan on and everything. We're gonna go pick a couple of these, see which ones the best ones are. We're gonna throw them on the grill. Boom, ba-dang, ba-doom, ba-dang. All right, right side, left side, crisscross. We're gonna probably do 3 today. That's what we was talking about, 3 a day. See how that turns out, okay? All right, we're at 3 minutes right now. I'm gonna turn it. 3 to 5 minutes is what our goal is. Let's take a look at it. Okay, it starts browning up. Very, very, very good. Very, very good. All right, that's good. Want them nice and brown. Nice and, this thing a little flat. Good. Okay, high on a cast iron skillet. Turn them over real quick. I did 2 minutes, 3 minutes on the first side. This is 3 minutes for sure. I'm thinking about right now. I decided to do the second batch because, the heat was already on. Looking good, looking good. Again, 3 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other. It's just on high. So definitely a splattery kind of cook, but not so bad, just for your future planning, all right? Looks good, smells good. What it looks like, all right? We got the cucumber tomato salad with feta cheese on there. This is the first time, so this is all this is learned. And this is the lamb chop, 3 minutes on each side. Okay, as you can see, we've been biting down on this already, so it looks kind of messy, but man, looks like that. We got the lamb sauce on there, which I didn't put a video on, but basically all the bits and bites. Added some red wine, let it simmer down, but look at that. Look at that color, okay? Okay, we got the cucumber. This is the first try, remember, cucumber tomato salad. We know that going forward now, we'll take the cucumber and make that all, put a salad dressing with the onions, and then at the very end, put the tomatoes and the feta cheese on there. But let's do this taste test, all right? Smooth, smooth like butter. All right, look at that. That's what they call pork tender, right? Anybody that knows that? That's pork tender. Boom, 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 boom. Molto bene, molto buono.